Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Great, okay, cool.
No worries, just
Thanks. Thank you. Well guys, I actually got really lazy the other day and I am yet to unbox the HomePod I collected from the post office. So, for that, let's see what Kyle's doing. Hey Kyle, what's up?
Hey, not much.
Okay.
Lazy Saturday.
So if you're free, do you want to join me unbox the HomePods?
Okay.
Oh my god, it's a mess. I need to clean up this table.
Okay, let's look at this. Actually, you're supposed to open
Okay.
here. You can see it. HomePod Mini.
Poor Google Mini is looking at it. It's okay. He's gonna be replaced soon. Okay, let's keep him right next to the Google Mini. But I think that blocks the view of my TV when I watch
It's
TV.
a
Yeah.
bit taller. Maybe
Okay, I'll on that corner.
here.
Hey Siri. Yeah, so guys, we just set up the home on the app.
Sorry, I'm still setting up personal requests on this HomePod. Try again in a few minutes.
Okay, so first thing we want to change the Australian accent. Change it.
Language here.
Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri.
It's currently partly cloudy
Okay.
and 20 degrees.
So finally, I sat down and set up the entire Apple HomePod, and it's been a day, and it's pretty much good. I'm not using the Google Mini anymore. Hey Siri, it's somewhere in the living room, and right now, what's the weather now? The HomePod set up right there.
It appears to be clear right now, with a temperature of 14
let me just
degrees.
sit down finally and explain to you why I decided to
Siri.
go over Apple Music. So when it comes to, there are a couple of criteria like pricing, interface, and also the audio quality. That's what I would like to talk about. The first thing is why I like Apple Music. Obviously, I'm an Apple fanboy. Which is true, but that's not the reason. Recently, Apple introduced one of the best thing called the lossless audio quality, which is exactly the same studio quality when the song was recorded. The same quality is delivered to you on your phone, but you should have supported devices, which I don't have. But anyway, in the future, I might have. Apple Music is future-proof, considering the lossless audio quality and the Dolby Atmos feature, which recently integrated into it. When it comes to pricing, it's the same, $11.99 per month without any student discount or anything. It's the same pricing overall in both platforms, but Apple Music is actually giving me a 1 month free sign up for the first month because it's been a while. So it says that we miss you and blah blah blah, so we're just gonna give you 1 month free. But if you're a new user, you get 3 months free. So that's one thing that you need to notice. Even with the Spotify, it's the same thing. But so in price wise, maybe I'm saving like 50 cents a month. The thing I want to talk about is the UI. I hate the Spotify UI. I'm not a big fan of the dark mode, and I hate the fact that Spotify doesn't have a light mode, just dark interface. And it's really hard to find the options in it because it's so much different than the rest of the iOS. So Apple Music has a better UI in my opinion. I prefer having something which is more integrate well with the rest of the software like iOS, so I know where to go to find which option, where's the settings and all those stuff. In Spotify, it's completely different. One of the main reasons that I wanted to change the platform is that I kind of hated the concept that I'm stuck with the same songs every day, because usually when I travel or when I do exercise or when I just go for a walk, I start playing my playlist, and it's always from the beginning, and only maybe by 5 or 6 songs the activity whatever I'm doing is over, and then I will never go back to the songs that is after 7 songs. So it's just always constantly stuck with the first 7 songs. I know I get updated new songs, but still it's once in a while. So I just wanted to revisit and restart the entire playlist, and I wanted to start with a clean slate. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to switch. I can do that with Spotify, but anyway, I'm getting a HomePod. Why not try Apple Music? So that's it, guys. The daylight is actually going now. That's why it's getting a bit dark. So before the daylight goes, I just want to sign off. And by the way, there's a COVID positive case in my building, so probably we're just gonna get tested by tomorrow. So that'll be a new video, so stay tuned for that. And Kyle, you just want to come and say bye to the subscribers? Okay, great. So that's Kyle and me signing out. So bye bye. I'll talk to you guys soon.